This is a really quick video here to talk about something called Rambo Max. If you're looking around for Rambo Max, some sort of male enhancement product, pills, a bottle of supplements, Rambo Max reviews and complaints. I can't believe I'm making a video about this, but anyway, Rambo Max. I saw this going around with a scammy website, and it doesn't look like it's an official website for the product or anything like that. So I'm just saying right now, I'm separating the product from someone who's misusing the product, affiliates, misuse the product, scam marketers, whatever. And I saw a video with a lot of like explicit stuff in it or whatever. And at the end, it claims the product is called Rambo Max. It's a baking soda trick, but they never actually end up showing you a recipe involving baking soda. That's a classic scam thing where they claim there's going to be a recipe. And in the end, they offer you a bottle of pills. So Rambo Max, eventually on this page, which is an unofficial website, claims it's backed by medical professionals and men's health specialists who believe in natural, science-based performance solutions. And they claim that someone named Dr. James Walker has endorsed it. If you do a reverse image search for that person, which I'm not going to show my screen in this video, but you can, just imagine, they actually show a photo of someone named Dr. Lat Mansour, which is not good. So they're lying to you about the first doctor. They claim that Dr. Alex Johnson, an endocrinologist, has something to do with endorsing this. And he looks like a stock photo from what I first saw. And it looks like another website uses his image as well. Probably a stock photo. And they claim someone named Dr. Emily Carter also endorsed this, but it's a guy named Emily, which makes no sense. Scammers messed up. And that photo as well is used as a stock photo on other websites and apparently has nothing to do with this. His name might be Dr. Jacob Barish. I can't really tell, or something like that. In other words, they found photos of other people, gave them other names, and Rambo Max never was actually endorsed by Dr. James Walker, Dr. Alex Johnson, or Dr. Emily Carter, clinical nutritionist. Dr. James Walker is listed as a urologist, Dr. Alex Johnson as an endocrinologist. Whatever. And there are other photos of the pills. I'm not calling this product a scam. I have not ordered this product. I'm just telling you there's scam marketing happening out there with no credible evidence tying the scam to the company, to the product or whatever. And so I'm making that very clear. And through the scam marketing funnel, they want you to buy it. And let's see, I know you can't see my screen, but where does that end up going? It goes to an unofficial website, it looks like. And they want you to buy it through an unofficial website. And it claims it has a money back guarantee. You can't trust that. It goes through a scam funnel. It claims that, maybe it's not going to be a subscription, but maybe it is going to be a subscription. Maybe, I'm not really sure. And a lot of other stuff that just doesn't look great. So if you're in the market for this sort of a product, Rambo Max, I hope that you will do your research and not fall for something that goes through a scam marketing funnel that uses photos and names of doctors who have not actually ever endorsed this. And that lies to you about that, because that's a massive red flag, obviously. And, if you have any sort of issues in that area that this product supposedly addresses, just go see a doctor. Don't order stuff online that goes through scam marketing funnels. I hope this is clear. Rambo Max reviews and complaints, Rambo Max supplements, Rambo Max male enhancement, Rambo Max, I don't know, whatever other words that would go with this. I can't believe I'm making a video about this. Like, comment, subscribe, join button, thanks button. And this is the last video I'm making of the day. And I'm very happy to say thank you for watching.